Hello YouTube. Today I want to show you a tail light. This way might be easier to read. So some of you might remember the review I made about this front light, and it has a daylight running light option, which you can, the power button and the charging button, charging port. You turn this on by long press and on and off. So the first one is the two outer LEDs, single in the middle, all three blinking and off. So this is aluminum, a really nice build. If you wanna see the review, I put the link in the description. And today I wanted to show you this one. This is obviously a tail light. I was gonna say brake light, but no, tail light. It's also aluminum. It has Type-C charging port, waterproof, and it's this Sr2 Bike Taillight, made in China. Obviously, what is not made in China? Anyway, it has obviously the product specification, including, you can stop the video if you want to read it, including the running times on the different modes. Back is Chinese if you want to study Chinese, and it comes with these accessories to mount it. Anyway, so the first light is this red steady light, and then you have a blinking, and then you have a breathing like light. Next one is fast blinking, like almost like a heartbeat, a double blink. And then you have this turning version, and these two outer lights in a running mode. It's like turning a bicycle, like the tire. And the next one is off. And I really like it, the way it looks. I mean, how it's shaped, and the button is in the middle. It's waterproof. It's really nice, and it does come with two mounting options. You got zip ties, Type-C charging cable, two rubber bands, and this is one that you mount on your seat post. It is angled, and then you use these rubber bands to go around and tie it up, and you just, I have to look around my phone. What am I doing? Yeah, this needs to close. Put it in, twist it, it clicks in. It's steady, it's not gonna go anywhere. And then you twist it back and take it out for when you need to recharge it. And then you have another one here that's for like underneath the seat, where you have those two metal seat holders or whatever you want to call them, and then you can plug it in there, clip it in there. So some taillights that I saw, you have to choose between one of these two options, and then this one, it comes together with both of them, and I really like it. And then the zip ties, but not. And this one sells for I think $8.50 something, free shipping. Can't really beat it. And nice, simple, and it's bright enough. I tried it in my room. It does light up the room nicely. So anyway, these I will put on my bike. Sorry Adam, I still did not get around to make a nighttime video, but now once I mount this, I will do it in the next days. I'm still working on my belt grinder build, still waiting for I have to order a new motor. And anyway, and by the way, today is my birthday, so I wonder if I get at least 100 likes on this video. We'll see, probably not. And I would be surprised if anybody would buy me like a cup of coffee. There's a what's it called, thanks button on the bottom. You can do it via PayPal, or you can support my channel by buying a product from my Tindy store. All the links are in this description. And who knows, maybe even become a Patreon. You can even become a Patreon for $1. I have one. So anyway, these are the two lights that I put on my bike, and I will make another video hopefully soon where you can see it in action during the night. And this thing is really bright, really bright. And anyway, if you're interested in any other items that I have, like this Nixie clock, there's another one back here in the back. That's a single digit. This is my RC police light. That's my keychain. Nobody wants to buy, of course. What I want to do with a Chrysler 300C keychain. Anyway, this is it today, a short one, and I'll see you on the next one, hopefully when I finish my belt grinder. Take care, everybody.